This 2023 Jayco J Feather 27 BHB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 33 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 9, stovetop burner, oven, TV, awning, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, slide-out, water heater, LP detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Jayco J Feather 27 BHB is 6,085 pounds. This 2023 Jayco J Feather 27 BHB. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.